The first forehead thermometer by iProven is our best of the best pick. Here are the pros. Flexibility to take quick scan when child is sleeping or has an ear infection, or to use your mode to get the most accurate reading. Backlit screen lets you take temperatures effortlessly at night. Gives a quick temperature check while in forehead mode and more precise results in ear mode. Here are the cons. Some say it gives inconsistent results between the two ears. Instructions say to wait 30 minutes for adjustment before use if you move it between rooms with varying temperatures. The best reviews bottom line. This thermometer gives you flexibility to take temperatures multiple ways, and its backlit screen makes it perfect for nighttime use. We rated this Lenovo forehead thermometer as our best value pick. Here are the pros. Non-contact forehead thermometer avoids cross-contamination. Convenient object mode lets you measure an object's temperature. 1-second readings. Non-contact operation prevents cross-contamination. Sleek, modern design. Switches easily between silent and audible mode. Fever alert when temperature exceeds 99.5 degrees Fahrenheit. Here are the cons. Do not clean visual sensor with wipes or bleach, it will damage the sensor. Some reports of inaccurate readings. The best reviews bottom line. Definitely the coolest looking thermometer on the market, and it's a great value, too. The next forehead thermometer by Exergen is our third top pick. Here are the pros. Nurses find it to be extremely accurate, recommend taking temperature 3 times and going with the highest one. Can use on sleeping child or on a child with an ear infection. Some parents say they use it to get a rough idea how high their child's fever is, or average multiple swipes. Gentle stroke of forehead captures naturally emitted heat from skin over temporal artery. Here are the cons. Some users said this gave them unpredictable results. Some were demonstrated to give incorrect readings at the doctor's office or hospital. The best reviews bottom line. Many people say they love this thermometer, but a decent number were so frustrated they took it to the pediatrician to check the range. It's a good thermometer once you get the hang of it. We rank this Braun forehead thermometer as our 4th top pick. Here are the pros. Somewhat accurate, lets you know whether you have to go to the hassle of dealing with a rectal thermometer. Turn off beep to avoid waking sleeping children. More sanitary than other options. Patented technology captures twice as much body heat to ensure accurate results. Color-coded fever tracks progression of fever. Here are the cons. Some report fluctuating, inaccurate readings. Uses a lot of batteries. The best reviews bottom line. Braun offers some fantastic features, like a big screen, the ability to turn off the sound so your child stays asleep, and color-coded fever tracking. This forehead thermometer by Equinox International is our final top pick. Here are the pros. Can register body temperature, object surface temperature and ambient room temperature. Color-changing LED screen helps gauge quick results. Infrared technology. Comes with 2 AA batteries and storage pouch. Saves the last 32 recordings. Here are the cons. Some report inconsistent results. The best reviews bottom line. This non-contact thermometer measures body temperature as well as other household temperature readings. Color coding gives a quick answer whether a temperature is normal, concerning or high.